Before performing any maintenance or repairs, lockout tagout, LOTO, is your first line of defense against injury. It ensures machines are properly shut off and can't restart unexpectedly. Lockout means physically securing the power source in the off position using a lock. Tagout means attaching a visible tag to warn others not to operate the equipment. LOTO protects against hidden dangers like electrical energy, mechanical hazards, hydraulic or pneumatic pressure, chemical or thermal exposure. Let's walk through the lockout tagout procedure. Step 1. Identify the equipment is energized. Step 2. Locate the main power source, usually a breaker panel. Step 3. Pinpoint the correct breaker. Step 4. Apply the breaker lock to prevent switch movement. Step 5. Install the lockout clamp. Step 6. Attach the first lock. Step 7. Add the second lock if needed. Each lock must have its own key, retained by the user. Be sure to include a tag that shows the company's name, clear identification that work is in progress. Once locks and tags are in place, test the system to ensure it's fully de-energized. Use a pen tester. Green light means safe. Red light means live power remains. Only after confirming zero energy is it safe to begin work. When the job is done, follow these steps. Step 8. Remove the first lock. Step 9. Remove the tag. Step 10. Take off the clamp and breaker lock. Step 11. Turn power back on. Step 12. Test the equipment to confirm normal operation.